Plus 2 English Unit 3 Chapter 3 Stammer. The poem Stammer is written by Sachidanandan. Stammer stands for the imperfection of human being. The poet says that is not a handicap but a way of speech. He compares stammer in a speech to lameness in action. Both involve a gap or a silence. Stammer come with the origin of man of before language. It is a language then I delight because stammer is universal. We give different meaning to words. These are sacrifice to the God of meaning. When all people are imperfect, stammer become their mother tongue. This is the situation now. We are all affected with the stammer.